you haven't heard then. The man who arranged the defection was a GRU colonel by the name of Yevgeny Borosovich Volgin.
Through solemnness and bone, the edge beyond the shore, this weight of root and rot.
You'll regret stopping me. Damn it! I've got to get back before he does.
You wanted to speak to me?
Well, not just the best. You,
Who?
I've heard that it's out and only you have 3. My guess that
Who would I?
HQ.
Patrol here. No problems detected.
Understood. Return to your position.
Di ba? Kaurat lang eh. Naglaro ka ba daw ng snowman sa Disneyland? Wala nga snow dun eh. Di ba? Yun lang eh. Walang snow dun eh. Eh, ano din dun eh.
Gonna get that?
Yung gamer, no, yung user natin, ni-replace natin siya as community. Diba? Kasi collectively, ito tayo eh. Diba? Customer, user, gamer, diba? Community.
You wanted to speak to me?
well, not just the best. You,
Who?
I've heard that it's out and only you have 3. My guess that
Who would I?
Water started flooding the place as quick as I drink ale. I barely managed to drag us here.
So something's keeping the water inside the tunnels.
What are you thinking?
I've got an idea. Are there more explosives?
We can't prove our innocence.
Then I will be unable to restrain the military. I will be ousted, and they will seek their revenge.
A nuclear attack.
You think you got the authority to keep that door shut in the savior of Meridian's face? What do you think Sun King Avad is gonna do when he hears what you did?
Yan. 'Di ba? So, ano ba yung difference ng Web 1, Web 2, Web 3? 'Di ba? Kasi nung unang na-introduce ang internet, yun yung Web 1.
Ito, yes, Jemo.
Cloudy, basa. Kailangan patuyuin. So si Cloudy medyo papansin ito eh. No? Pasaway na din. Lahat na talaga. No?
Minions won't stop pestering me. Now I've even worn out my special grill. Since I'm in the midst of a crisis, perhaps you could skip to what it is you wanted?
Some of your food?
Of a single-action army.
That's right. There'll be no accidents this time.
You call that an accident? Well, it wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been showing up.
No, okay din naman sa HK, no? Si TJ, pupunta na Hong Kong. Pasalubong daw. Peking duck. Peking duck daw, TJ, sabi ni Jemima.
Ang purify ng mga spirits. May ilaw sa inyo. Dumaan dito. Yun. Yun. Kaboy.
I mean, yung internet facility, no? I mean, that's the thing, no? Kumbaga lahat tayo dito is merong responsibility na kailangan gawin para maging, ano ba tawag dito, ng culture, no? Ng pinagsisilbihan namin. So, both American yung mga boss namin. No? I mean,
I'm an idiot.
Aaron! By the forge.
I guess that's my key.
Maybe I should go with you to Barren Light.
No, hey, you.
Ang creepy ng game mo, sir, nakakapanginig balahin. Kaya nga yun. Enjoy naman. Since Halloween yan,
why not, 'di ba? Punta sa mga templo, punta sa mga ano ba mga magagandang tanawin doon. Wait lang, nasaan yung comment section? Ba't dito ako nagbabasa? Wait.
Kaya parang naputol yung kamay niya.
During World War II, she was the one who led us to victory in that war. In Russia, you know her as Voyevoda.
You mean
Pag natapos natin yung MGS. Sige, MGS tayo mamaya. Mag-dinner lang ako saglit. Tapos,
Be back in hospital bed again, waiting for the firing squad.
So how does it feel to be a patient in one of the most advanced...
Hour na tayo, may gulay. Oh, wait lang, redeem lang tayo. Kasi pili ko talaga mabilis lang tong topic natin. Kaya nga, tinatry ko munang mag-engage sa inyo as much as possible. Ito na lang, example, no? Para medyo clear tayo. Kunyari, bagong release ng game. Let's say, ano ba? Final Fantasy 7.
and the American government denies any involvement in the affair. Is that right as well?
That's correct. We were not involved in any way.
Then what was a U.S. military?
alright, game na.
I'm asking.
Keep cut. Pero ako tatanungin, mas gusto ko manalo yung Rebirth sa sa Game of the Year.
Why?
Jorf, would you kindly escort Studious to Chain Scrape and wait for me there?
You got it.
I will find Erend.
I can't say it feels good to kill a comrade, even if it is for the Gru.
Sokolov.
A dead bristleback down there?
Di ba? Kaurat lang eh. Naglaro ka ba daw ng snowman sa Disneyland? Wala nga snow dun eh. Di ba? Yun lang eh. Walang snow dun eh. Eh, ano din dun eh.
He's the Ocelot commander.
That's Major Ocelot to you. And don't you forget it.
Tutorial pa ang puta.
You won't get away from me!
Budol. Ito si Mix, taga-budol to eh. No? Taga-budol to ng ano eh. Hook na ako daw sa metaphor. No? Which is, yeah, true. No? To be honest, it's something din na gusto kong laro.
You won't get away from me!
Along with some assurance that I won't regret it.
You are.
Anyway, kamusta ang perch, sir? Diba? Maaga daw for Thursday. Grabe siya. Kaka-out ko lang din kasi. Diba? So, alam niyo naman ang work natin. Huh?
Claim to be Tanakh.
Regala. Chief Akaro's biggest mistake. A rival whom he should have killed.
Isa sa mga factor na pwedeng magbigay ng solution is that yung tinatawag nating Web 3. Okay, ano ba tong Web 3?
Take her! Come on!
Kung may mga tanong kayo, 'di ba? Ayun nga sabi ni Migs, no? Sweet Baby Ink, no? Mga ano din eh. Yung mga salarin din 'yan. Yan na yung parang pinaka-exe niya. Executable na yung mga yan. 'Di ba? So ngayon, ang tinatry ditong i-emphasize or i-emphasize is yung source code and iwan, ayun talaga, nagko-commute talaga ako. Tapos nung nagkaroon ng sasakyan, syempre, pasok ka sa office using your using your vehicle.
No strategic value whatsoever to either the US or the Russians. The Turkey deal was a ruse, a cover story that was fed to the other intelligence agencies around the world.
So what did the Russians really want?
And syempre, responsibility wise, 'di ba? 'Yun yung nananaig ika nga. So
Hello Sir Archie, MGS4 na lang hindi ko pa napapanood na stream. Sana pwede natin i-stream yun, nantay ko nga yung volume 2 eh. Sana magkaroon ka agad ng volume 2 by next year para ma-stream natin. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung story nito kaysa sa mga naunang Fatal Frame.
ay grabe siya, no? Kamusta ang perk? Maano ba sa perk? Ano ba ngayon? Summer pa lang ngayon diyan, no? Kaya, I mean, tatanungin ko sana kung may snow. Okay. Anong kaguluhan daw to, sir? Now, anyway, ayun nga, no? So, I try to read all of the comments muna, guys, no? Before tayo mag-simula nung parang pinaka...
Ipasabugin sa para magutom yung mga yan.
Soviet Union?
That's right.
A few days ago, one of our country's main design bureaus, OKB-754, was destroyed in a nuclear explosion.
Welcome back, boss.
Now that all 5 of us are together, it's time we go to the
Son of a... Get away from me!
No, kasi nga dahil doon sa in-explain natin kanina na web 2, 'di ba dito sa web 2, so kung may server, client, ang ginagawa ng client is parang kinakopy lang. Kung dati wala kang interaction na pwedeng gawin sa website, but just to consume and to read yung content, so ngayon meron na. So kaya may mga web application ang tinatawag, no? Kasi meron ng user interaction.
Kaya nga eh. May mga child na yun, experiments ka na nangyari. Parang ginawa silang sacrifice ng mga buha ka ng ina.
Kung isipin mo, may mga Nintendo games na i-release, 'di ba? 2 weeks pa lang or maybe a month. Kumbaga, nandiyan yung legality, 'di ba? Nandiyan yung parang ano ba yung nature ng emulation, no? Ano ba yung difference niya between emulation and simulation? So kung gaano kahaba to, so baka hindi siya abot ng parang let's say 2 hours. Depende, no? I'm not sure kung paano tatakbo tong ano natin.
Bristlebacks. I guess they got trapped in here. I'm gonna have to take
Motivation, 'di ba? For you to move forward. So wala, na mahirap siya. Kumbaga talagang pili lang, no? Hindi lahat ng tao is
To believe too that a legendary hero like the boss would go over to the Russians, that she'd double cross us like this. But that's how it is, and if you don't accept it, you'll never be able to beat her.
That's not the problem.